On to today's physics class. Today's class, we are going to be learning mechanics, okay? So if you are in grade 10, this particular question is for you. So this talks about speed. So the question says, a car travels 180 kilometers in 3 hours. Find its average speed in meter per seconds. So the first thing you need to do, let's go. Solution. What is the speed? The speed of a body is the measure of the distance with respect to time. That is to say, the rate of change of distance with respect to time. That speed equal to what? Distance all over time. And the SI unit, the standard unit of this speed is meter per seconds, okay? So it is measured in meter per seconds. But that doesn't mean we don't have other units like kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour, okay? So this is also another unit, but the SI unit, that is the system, the international unit is this. So whenever we are calculating on this speed, if you are required to leave it in SI unit, so we are going to convert kilometer per hour to meter per seconds. That is what we want to do now. And from the given, from the question here, we are given that the distance traveled is what? 180. That is distance D equal to 180 kilometer. Okay. Then what is the time? Time now is given in hours, 3 hours. Okay. What we just need, first of all, you can convert kilometer to meter first, and also the time in hour to seconds. But if you don't want to do that, simply work with these values and then convert later. So let's work with that value. So speed V now is equal to distance over time, which is now equal to what was the value given to us? That is 180 all over 3. So this gives us 60 kilometer per hour. Well, now the question says we should find the average speed in meter per seconds. So which means we are going to convert this 60 kilometer per hour now to meters per seconds. Don't forget our metric conversion. We have 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometers. Okay. Then we have how many seconds? 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. But now we are giving hours. We also have a 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So which means for us to move from hour to seconds, we are going to multiply 60 by 60. Now let us convert 60 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So that is what we want to convert now. So what you do, the kilometer you multiply by 1000, 60 times 1000, then all over the down here says 60 times what? 60. So this is the meter per seconds. So this 60 here can take care of this. So we can now have our value now. It now give us 1000 all over 60. So one of the 0 cancel out. We have 100 over 6. So this will now give us 16.6666. So at the end of the day, we can have 16.67 meters per seconds. So this is the answer. I hope you understood this working. If that is true, please help us to share this post so we can get to greater number of students on this platform. Bye.